If you wake up at 3 a.m. with a racing mind, this is rarely just stress. At this hour, your body is supposed to be in repair mode. But for many people, a drop in blood sugar triggers a cortisol surge, waking the brain instead of restoring it. This isn't a sleep disorder, it's a metabolic signal, a mismatch between glucose regulation, stress hormones, and nighttime brain chemistry. In this video, we'll break down what the 3 a.m. wake-up really means, how magnesium and dopamine signaling are involved, and why certain metabolic patterns quietly interfere with deep cellular repair during sleep.
Inside every raw cacao bean lies a chemical masterpiece, theobromine. Unlike the jittery, acidic spike of caffeine, theobromine is a powerful vasodilator. It doesn't just wake you up. It opens your vascular system, allowing nutrient-dense blood to flow freely to your brain and heart. But the real secret is how it interacts with your GABA receptors. GABA is your brain's natural brake pedal. To understand the racing mind, you must understand the interaction between glutamate and GABA. Glutamate is the gas pedal of your brain. It's responsible for focus and alertness. GABA is the brake. In a healthy system, they balance each other perfectly. However, chronic stress and blue light exposure deplete your magnesium stores, causing your brain to remain stuck in a glutamate-dominant state. You aren't just stressed, you are chemically unable to relax. Without enough magnesium, which cacao provides in its most bioavailable form, your brain cannot plug these leaks. Raw cacao's magnesium acts as a mineral chaperone, guiding the GABA molecules to their receptors. This isn't just a suggestion to your brain. It's a biological command to shut down the noise. This is why you feel tired but wired. This mineral is the master key for over 300 enzymatic reactions, specifically those governing your circadian rhythm and the deep, restorative phases of your sleep. We are talking about signaling, not just calories. Why hasn't your doctor told you this? Because the wellness industry is built on scams and miracle cures that drain your wallet. Let's look at the cold, hard data of the pharmaceutical industry. When you see magnesium on a cheap supplement label, you are often looking at magnesium oxide. Scientifically speaking, this is a poorly absorbed synthetic salt. Your biology simply doesn't recognize it. In fact, it often acts more as a laxative than a cellular nutrient. You aren't fixing a deficiency. You are just irritating your gut. Your body is a complex system of signals, and it requires a food-based matrix to absorb minerals effectively. Raw cacao provides this essential mineral wrapped in a complex matrix of healthy fats, increasing its bioavailability significantly compared to isolated supplements. We must stop falling for the isolated nutrient lie and return to the synergy of nature. There is a deeper layer to this protocol, your gut microbiome. Raw cacao is one of the most powerful prebiotics on the planet. It contains polyphenol that specifically feed bifidobacterium and lactobacillus species. Why does this matter for your sleep? Because 90% of your serotonin, the precursor to your sleep hormone melatonin, is produced in your gut. By consuming this dark dust an hour before bed, you aren't just hitting your brain. You are fertilizing your second brain. You are creating a biological environment where your body can manufacture its own tranquilizers. This is the definition of sustainable wellness. Teaching the body to heal itself rather than relying on external crutches. The Aztecs didn't call it the food of the gods because it tasted good. They used it as a cognitive enhancer and a metabolic stabilizer. But we must address the clinical reality. Modern cacao is often alkalized or Dutched, a process that destroys up to 90% of the antioxidants. Furthermore, if you suffer from kidney stones or chronic histamine intolerance, you must be cautious. Cacao is naturally high in oxalates. We are seeking health without obsession, not a new biological burden. If you feel an itchy throat or a racing heart after consumption, your body is signaling a histamine spike. Listen to it. This is about unmasking the truth, even when the truth is uncomfortable. The benefits extend beyond sleep. We are entering the territory of cellular longevity. Cacao is rich in epicatechin, a flavonoid that has been shown to mimic the effect of exercise on a cellular level. It stimulates mitochondrial biogenesis, essentially creating new power plants within your cells while you rest. By lowering your nocturnal cortisol with this protocol, you're also allowing your body to enter a deeper state of autophagy. This is the biological self-cleaning process where your cells recycle damaged components. If your cortisol is high, autophagy is suppressed. By silencing the 3 a.m. racing mind, you are effectively giving your body the green light to repair your DNA and clear out metabolic waste. Not all cacao is created equal. When you walk into a store, the industry tries to trick you with labels like dark chocolate or natural cocoa. Here is your audit. Non-alkalized, look for raw or cold press. If the label says processed with alkali, the biological signaling is dead. Origin, look for single origin Criollo or Trinitario beans. They have lower heavy metal content than mass market Forastero. This is the dark secret. Cadmium and lead. Cheap cacao from West Africa often exceeds safety standards. By choosing volcanic soil origins from South America, you protect your kidneys. Purity. It must be 100%. Any added sugar will spike your insulin and negate the magnesium's calming effect, leading to the very 3 a.m. wake-up call we are trying to fix. The protocol is simple but non-negotiable. Step 1. Source raw, organic, non-alkalized cacao powder. Step 2. Use exactly 1 level tablespoon. Step 3. Add a pinch of Celtic sea salt. These trace minerals act as the key that opens the cellular gates for magnesium. Step 4. Add 1 teaspoon of MCT oil or grass-fed butter. This fat solubility is the secret to crossing the blood-brain barrier. Step 5. Mix with 8 ounces of hot, not boiling water. Boiling water kills the delicate enzymes. Drink this exactly 60 minutes before bed. This isn't a snack. It's a metabolic signal to your nervous system that the day is over. If you are still watching, you are ready for the final optimization. To maximize insulin sensitivity and ensure metabolic health, add half a teaspoon of Ceylon cinnamon. The difference between cassia and Ceylon isn't just taste, it's liver toxicology. Cassia contains up to 250 times more coumarin than Ceylon. Daily use of cassia can stress your liver's detoxification pathways. Ceylon is the only choice for a daily protocol. This addition improves the signaling of your glut for transporters, pulling sugar out of your bloodstream and into your muscles without needing massive spikes of insulin. This creates the metabolic floor that keeps you asleep until dawn. This is the gold standard of evening rituals. By switching from synthetic pills to this biological signaling, you are choosing the middle path of sustainable wellness. You are moving away from the wellness lies and toward evidence-based human optimization. Don't just take our word for it. The clinical data on magnesium and sleep architecture is clear. Start tonight. Unmask your health. Transform your morning by fixing your night.